Uh-oh, fire. What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be working on the first gen Toyota pickup. We're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance. I've got some new headlights I want to put in this thing. The ones that are on it are pretty dull, so we'll put these in and see how those work. Got some new O2 sensors and plugs. Not really too much. I just want to knock out a couple things on this thing and see if it'll run a little bit better, and then we'll move on to the oil pan stuff once we do the front axle. Alright, well, the O2 sensor was not wanting to come out, so we broke it off. I did try the air hammer trick. Sometimes you can use an air hammer and beat on the edge of it, and it will break it loose by beating there on the corner, but it's not working, so here we are. Alright, well, I finally got the bugger out, broke the top off, and I was able to get a socket on there to break it loose. It was pretty stuck in there. As you can see, that is where I was using the air hammer, which sometimes works, so I figured I'd give it a try. But anyways, it's out. Now onto the spark plugs. Alright, well, I got one of them in. I messed up and ordered both the wrong O2 sensors, and I was able to get one locally. Sadly, they did not have to. So we'll have to wait on that. We're going to move on to the plugs and the headlights now. Caught it on fire. Where? Exhaust where I sprayed the fluid. Oh. Oh, was that O2 sensor? Only mildly broke. Oh. That one's gone. One more. Alright, you heard it here, folks. Ooh, we didn't even break it yet. That's a win. Whew, look at these units. You guys think they'll be brighter? Or no? Look at that. All right, let's see what the difference is. Missing. There. Something to turn on. Well, the new headlights in the Toyota are working awesome. Very bright. It's got a lot more light on the outsides here. You can see quite a bit more. Okay, headlights are done in this thing. They look a lot better than the ones that were in there. I went out last night and tried them out in town, and on the highway they are definitely a lot brighter than the ones that were on there. Plus I like the LED look a lot better than the halogen, so that's nice. As far as the engine, the plugs, O2 sensors, all that is done. For tune-up stuff left on this thing, I need to do the oil pan as well as the front timing cover because it is leaking pretty bad. So when we pull the front axle out, we will do the oil pan front timing cover. Other than that, I don't really think there's anything else I need to do to the engine. It runs pretty good as it is, and I don't really want to mess with it. So we are going to leave that alone. Anyways, that is going to wrap up this video. I think next on this thing is going to be the transfer case. That just showed up, and I'm very excited to get that thing in and see if that gets rid of some of the noise that is there. So we're going to be doing that probably in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Drop a like down below. Comment what you think of this thing so far. I am stoked to be working on it. It is an awesome little pickup, and I love driving it around. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.